You're spoiled today. This is the second video for today. On the main channel, I also dropped another scalping session. Look, what is this? Let's go ahead and let's trade the NASDAQ. I'm trading with small capital. I'm using leverage. And these videos, we aim for $100 a day. So here we go, guys. 15 minutes. 15 minutes looks like a clear V-shaped pattern forming. So this candle is going to push up to the nearest resistance. And if I get the nearest resistance, then I could say we're actually at it. Okay, so actually a sell position now makes sense. So we're going to short this down to this level, put 5 contracts here, and I'm going to open the sell position. So I opened the sell, 5 contracts. I didn't put a stop loss for this one. And I'm going to open another, because we're right here, it should crumble down slowly before reversing and breaking out, at least the 18925. So I'm going to open it here. That's 10 contracts now. I'm not going to use a stop because I looked at it, guys, and this specific pattern is very tricky because what it does is it just lingers or goes sideways at the top before pushing down. So here you go, guys. I'm up $70 on this one. I've closed $70 just there. And here is your $100. Actually, we just made 110. Beautiful. It only took us 1 minute 30, guys. So that's exactly what I said will happen. You can see it's pushing down. So this pattern is like a V-shaped pattern. And you could say after a dip, it tries to recover, but it's not going to be a clean recovery. At the top, as soon as it hits resistance, it actually ends up pulling back and then accumulating at the bottom right here and then reversing and continuing the breakout. So what I can do here, guys, is open another buy. So I'll open a buy right where this line is. So at this support level. Okay, so it goes 5 contracts open. The next dip, I'll also add another 5 contracts. Now, usually I would use a stop loss, but for this specific trade, I'm not going to use it because it's just slowing down now. Right, here's another 5. So on the next push up on this, I'll just close this. So let me just get this one ready. I can close manually, or I could just go here and press sell instead of, and it will close this automatically. Okay, there it goes. Beautiful. I close that. And this one. Okay, I'll just close this. Anyways, that was 100 and something today, guys. In 3 minutes. Okay, so very quick live trading session. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you next time. Appreciate you for watching. But these videos should give you guys a little bit of understanding of how to trade. And later on, I'll make longer trades for you or longer videos if you want, that is. So you have to drop the comments or even the like. Even if a few of you are requesting these, I will make these videos for you. So see you guys next time, and I appreciate you for watching.